me and this one are gonna be cooking dinner tonight. She's gonna be my little helper.
But you don't have safety.
Oh, because I know how to use it. Got your finger, that's why.
Ooh. Ooh.
What?
It stinks.
Mm-hmm. Man, you're doing pretty good. You got it? I got you. Here, stop. What that looking like?
That's what it looks like.
Go ahead, scoop it. There you go, like that. There you go. Move it around. Stir it. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Pull up in that drop top, you won't deny that. You say it's an upgrade, just watch me smile back. You know I've been eyeing you since like the 10th grade. I just want that smile back, can you please just smile? Watch me pull up in that drop top, you won't deny that. You say it's an upgrade, just watch me smile back. You know I've been eyeing you since like the 10th grade. I just want that smile back, can you?
What it do, what it rule, it's your boy Zay with the only way.
Is it Is it you or it's me? It's Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, huge thumbs up.
Yes, sir. As you guys can tell by the title, today, me and this one are going to be cooking dinner tonight. She's going to be my little helper. What? Do you know what we're making tonight?
No.
You don't?
No.
It's alright. I don't know what it's called, but I know how to make it. Pretty much it's like some type of sausage with some like onions and some peppers. I forgot what it's called, but it's good. It's fire, I promise you. You guys will see.
And we also have to make rice too.
Yeah, and you actually want to make the rice?
Yes.
Yeah,
But I want to do it. I want to do this too.
You want to cut it up with me? Okay, well, that's cool. You're gonna be my little helper. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this little video of me and Emily cooking, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you don't subscribe, do that now. When you do, turn your post notifications on so every time I post or she posts.
Y'all finna see it.
Other than that, Zay, Wayne, Emily, and we hope you guys enjoy this little cooking video. She thought of, doing this video, so I was like, why not? Let's just do it. Who cares? Hey, hold on. By the way, y'all, look, y'all ever had these pretzels?
They're fire.
Fire. I ain't gonna lie though, when I was younger, they used to have way bigger boxes of these. They used to have big boxes of those, and the pretzels were way bigger. But now, I don't even see those anymore. If you guys know exactly where to get those pretzels and they're big, let me know, because I'm trying to tap in. Them pretzels is amazing. I used to grow up eating those every day. When I would go to school and all that. Just on a daily, I would just eat that. That's how fire it is to me. If you guys haven't tried that, go try that now. Look at her. No, make the rice first. The rice is easy.
I'm organizing.
You're organizing it? Here, just use this one right here. And put that one back. But you know where the rice cooker's at? Oh, actually, look. No, the rice is right here. So, yeah, you just gotta clean it. You wanna wash that or you want me to wash it? You wash it? Yeah, look, take the cups out.
That's dirty water.
Yeah, it's all good. Alright, you gotta rinse this out and clean it. Okay?
Soap?
Yeah, soap with the sponge right here. You know where the soap is? Right here. The soap right there. Yeah, we're gonna get started. I might get my tripod so I don't have to keep holding this and you guys can see. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And hopefully you guys enjoy what you see for the food we about to make. Yes, sir. All right.
We can put this rice in there.
Is the rice still good?
Still is.
Perfect. So right now, I'm having Emily cook rice. I taught her.
You made unclean rice.
Well, you're gonna clean it now, but yeah, you're still gonna cook it too. But for right now, I'm gonna have her clean the rice, because you're supposed to clean rice if you don't know that. How many times are you supposed to clean it?
4 or 3.
Depending on
If it's low.
or if it's a lot or a little bit. So looking at this, how many times do you think you're gonna have to clean it?
3.
Good. So
We don't clean it with soap. No soap.
Yeah, so go ahead, you can clean it. This is the meat right here. Boom, boom. It's the pepper. And we got some onions right here. Are you sure you don't want me to just cut it all up? You want to cut it? Yeah. Okay, you can cut one and I'll cut the other one.
Okay.
Alright. So you're cooking or what?
Yeah. You too.
How am I supposed to cook if you don't want me to cut?
You can cut.
Oh, I'll cook on the stove and stuff. You can cut and all that, okay?
Okay.
Well, actually, let me cut up the peppers and stuff, though, at least.
Okay.
Okay? I'll do that while she cooks the rice or cleans it. No, like swirl it. You know, and grab it and squeeze.
Look at all that white stuff.
Yeah, so usually when you clean rice, you don't want it to look like that. For those of you guys who don't know. Putting y'all into some game.
If you just leave it raw and you cook it, then no, that's the wrong way.
No, okay, no. I'm talking about like how white it looked. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be a little bit more clear, like clean, if that makes sense, where you can see the rice.
Next thing that we do, we hold it from here.
Pour it out.
And we pour it out.
Make sure you don't spill any rice. Yeah, that's good.
Oh my god.
Huh?
What happens if we got rice on here?
Here.
Clean it up.
No, just use your hands. And then when you put water, when you put water, you go like this. And then you put it like that.
Okay.
Ah, stop it, stop it. That's too much.
No.
Okay. Well, you're cleaning right now, so it's fine. Make sure there isn't too much, okay? Just make sure there's not that much when you're ready to cook it, okay?
This is what it looks like, guys.
The old rice cooker aroma. It's not a paid promotion, but you know, just putting you guys on.
This is 2 right now, guys.
Actually, we'll put this here later.
But when you're done cooking it, then you just put some water in it, and then you just put it in. So that's how we like it. But if you don't like it that way, then you don't have to do it that way. We just like to put water in ours, and then we just put it in there with the rice.
Wait, you want me to use this whole pepper, Ma?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do we have to take out the seeds?
Yeah. Do you want the seeds?
No.
Sure.
Wait, we can't put them in the bowl. Wait, sure.
Wait, what?
Sure.
I'm just kidding.
No.
No, you don't want the seeds. I'm just kidding.
Because we can plant it.
You want to plant it?
Yeah.
Ask Mom.
Mom, can we plant those pepper seeds for
So
me?
you can try to plant one, just keep like 4 or something.
Okay.
Hey, don't judge my cutting, by the way. Huh?
If this
If it
works,
gets the job done, that's all that matters.
if this works, we will be able to have a lot of pepper.
We don't have to go to the store.
Yeah, you can just ask me, and then if there's something like
Where are you gonna grow it?
we can buy a pot and then plant it. But if it's like up here, if it's up here, then you do this.
Oh, okay. Peppers smell so good.
Yeah, it does.
You like to smell peppers?
You always have to use your middle finger.
You did it? You're done?
No.
Whoa, that's too much.
Okay.
That's too much. You cleaned it good
Take
though.
it in left.
Uh-huh. Okay, no. Okay, leave. Oh. Okay, put your finger. Yeah, that's good now. Okay, now you can put it in here. You got it? Drop it, just drop it. You're gonna hurt your fingers. You're gonna pinch your fingers, just drop it. There you go. Close it.
Do we just put this in there?
No. Okay, now what do you press?
We press.
White rice. White rice! Because that's what we're making. Huh?
2, 1.
Click it. Click it. It's not doing it? No, it's not doing it. Here. We'll put it somewhere else. It's probably good. I don't know why it never works right there. We'll just put this right here and we'll put the camera somewhere else. Just right here.
I'll put on this.
Boom. Alright, what are you gonna cut?
The onions.
The onions?
Yeah. Hopefully, guys. Hopefully, I don't cry.
Yeah, just use the butter knife. Just so you don't get hurt.
How?
For your safety.
But you don't have safety.
Oh, because I know how to use it.
Wait. When did we get?
We don't want you to cut your finger, that's why.
Ooh.
What?
It stinks.
Stinks?
I wonder where the other half is. I hope I don't cry.
Just don't put it close to your eyes.
What if I have to?
Why would you have to put it close to your eyes?
This is harder.
It's harder, really.
With a butter knife.
Girl.
What?
You're struggling with that knife, right?
If there's like, if I had something.
Oh my gosh.
I can just do this, you know? This.
No. Why are you, first of all, hold on. Look at the way you're cutting. You cut like this. Look, see? Not like this. Or like this. Like this. See? You go like this.
Okay.
Look, you go like this. Boom, look at that. Yeah, you'll be fine. She'll be good. Just let her do her thing. Watch your fingers. See how close your fingers are? There you go. Now push it down hard. There you go, like that.
And then how do I
Make these a little
squares?
smaller.
How do I make squares?
Cut it like this, like this.
How should I make squares?
No, these are fine. That's fine like that. It doesn't matter. Mom said it doesn't matter.
And then we can go like this.
No. It doesn't
That's
matter.
how you make squares.
Yeah, I know, but just leave it like that. Just leave it big, like that, yeah.
Okay.
Cut these like that.
Like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't get in your eye. Dude, these like you gotta be organized. Look, come on, chef. Hey, why can't I get this onion?
Look.
Now look, Emily, look. You gotta be in the middle. Look,
And I really can't.
look. Hold on.
It's making me cheer.
Look. Hold on. See? Cut in the middle. You see how you were like that? Just cut in the middle like that. The middle. Watch your fingers. No. Look, here, look. Here, look. Oh, hold it like this. Hold it like that. You see my finger right here? Hold it like that. You gotta push hard. You gotta push hard. There, like that. Hard. There you go. Do the same thing for that one.
This?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, see? Hey. All right, you finished. Let's show them what you did. All right, you guys, look.
Should I just
cut this.
do like that?
Yeah, this is fine. And look, this is what Emily cut, y'all. Let me show you guys real quick. Boom, look at that. Uh-huh. Here, look here. You could do all that right here.
Okay, it needs to stop going. Ow, it's making me tear.
It's because you're touching it like that. Okay, here, look. Watch out. Move it for me. Just put it right here so we can cut the meat.
Ugh, stop. God, I can't stop tearing.
Okay.
My eyes burn.
You just rub your face on me?
Yeah, because my eye. Why is my eye hurting? Burning?
Because you're getting too close to the onions and you're cutting onions.
We learned like reaction.
Huh?
I hate onions. I shouldn't have done it. You should have.
Turn off the water! Child? Got this big old meat!
Who's that for?
Huh?
You or me? Yeah.
So look, I'm gonna cut it and you just watch how I cut it, okay? You see how I'm cutting it?
Mm-hmm. All the way?
Yeah.
That doesn't take so long. And why does it feel like that? It feels like...
It's meat. It's raw meat.
And where does it come from?
This one, I don't know where this one came from.
Mom, where does the sausage come from?
Cow.
What kind of beef in their body? What kind of beef in their body?
What kind of beef? What do you mean?
It's that they're the meat.
Yeah, the cow, yeah. I don't know what part of the body it is, but
Mom, what part of the body is it?
I don't think Mom knows. Okay, so look, when I'm doing it, that's why I said you gotta watch. You see how I'm doing it at a slant? Instead of like this, I'm doing it at a slant.
But you didn't do it like that one.
Okay, not everyone's perfect. So I don't expect every slice that you do to be perfect. Okay? Look at that, see? But see how it's slanted instead of like this?
Why do we do it that way?
I don't know, this is just how Mom does it, so that's how I just start doing it. It doesn't matter which way you do it, but just do
It's
it this way.
crazy how it's crazy how there's not even that much cows because they're always dead to eat.
Oh, yeah. You gotta be careful when you cut these, okay?
Like that?
Yeah, when it gets to the end, just don't cut it. I'll cut it. That way you don't hurt yourself.
My turn. We're using this giant can. Look, it's bigger than my head.
Is it?
Wait, can I put it in?
Yeah. Just a little bit. Don't pour it too hard. Just a little more? Right there. Okay, close up the lid.
Can you do that? Oh,
Okay.
what's up? Guys, what if that's the ribs, guys?
No, see what I say?
No, I was.
This way. You gotta come at an angle.
I wasn't gonna do it.
You weren't gonna do it that way?
No, I was just trying.
Alright. Like that. Right here. You gotta push hard. Good. Okay, here. Yeah, like that. Mm-hmm. Man, you're doing pretty good. Good. Okay, there you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. A little bit thinner, a little bit thinner. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. You straight cutting up. Yeah. Man, you doing better than me. So precise. There you go. Angle it. Yep. It's all about angles. Yep. Angles. Push harder. There you go. So you see how you heard that sound? That's how you know you hit the bottom. See? Here, let's try this way now. Angle. Wait. Good. Yeah. Dang, you're precise with it.
And also this one.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be a good cook.
And also this one. So you say when I get older, I'm gonna be good at cooking?
Yeah, let me do these last ones. Is it hurting your hands or what?
This one.
And like that, we are done.
Can I put it in?
Yeah. Okay, be careful when you put it in, okay? Okay.
What do you use?
Huh?
What do you use to like, or do you just like,
You can use this.
do we just do it like this?
No, just let it simmer real quick. It's gonna pop. Just be careful if it pops.
Ah!
You hear it? Okay, I move it around actually, so it gets everywhere. Here, look, let me show you. Let me show you. There you go, like this. See that? See how it gets all onto the whole pan? You do it like that. Be careful. You got it? I got you. Here, stop. You can't cook like that and be scared. Just stand up. Don't be scared. Emily, stop. Okay, then here, let me do it then if you're gonna get scared. Good job.
You're scaring me.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just saying. Watch it. It will. Mom, should I put all the stuff with it, or just wait till it cooks first? Put it with it?
I put this stuff in.
Go ahead. Put that stuff in there.
Did you throw the whole rice in there?
Huh? No, not yet. It's not all the way. It's like. Still put it in there? Alright, put it. Hey, don't let it touch the pan. Look, you acting scared. Here, start.
Oh, look at that.
Emily, stand on the stool if I acting scared.
It's like cool because you can see the steam, right? Isn't it cool because you see the steam?
Okay, here, let me try. Ooh, look at that. Someone was cooking already. You put any seasoning in it or no?
You can put a little bit of garlic powder. I'll put garlic powder. Just tell me what to chop. Oh, yeah. Wait, the powder's overstayed. I'll go get the garlic powder.
You know how to read?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I need help. So there's
Can't find it? Right here. Garlic powder. Let me show y'all real quick. What that look like.
That's what it looks like.
Go ahead, put it in. Go ahead.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Like this. You go like this, with a quarter like this, and go like that. But you can't be acting scared. Do all around it. Just a little bit.
So like a circle?
Yeah. Okay,
I don't know.
you wanna start? Okay, if you're gonna start, you can't be scared. You gotta stand like right here. Yeah, right there. Go ahead. Do your thing. Stir it all up.
I'm up to it.
Go ahead, stir it up. Do like this. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Look like this. Scoop it. Go like that. Look, scoop it. Boom. See how I'm scooping it? See how I scoop it?
Popping.
Yeah, okay.
What happens if it lands on you?
It's gonna hurt. It won't hurt that bad though. You hear it popping?
Yeah, and it's also the meat turning red. Oh, look at the fire.
Yeah, we'll turn it down actually.
So does it really pop on me?
Yeah. Okay, here, let me see you start.
So like this. Like this.
Like this, look. Thumb like this. And go like this. Go ahead. Yeah, like that. Scoop it. There you go, like that. There you go. Move it around. Stir it. Yeah. Yeah. Stir that thing. Stir that thing. Yeah. Emmali is chef. Emmali in the car. Don't spill it. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
All right, y'all. I'll be right back. We will be right back with you guys after it's done cooking up. I'm gonna let her keep stirring it up and all that. You know what I'm saying? She's doing her thing. Yeah, look at that. Woo, Chef Emmali. We'll get back to you guys whenever it's done and whenever we're about to eat, so we can do the outro and you guys can see what it's looking like. It's pretty much, this is what it's looking like, but we're just gonna let the meat cook a little more, and yeah, then we gotta wait for the rice. But that's pretty much it. It's an easy meal that you guys can make because she made it. If she can make it, you can make it, but make sure you have a parent or a guardian around you before you make it. Little kids. So yeah.
Or parents.
Yeah.
If they're watching. But if you're like a grown-up, then you don't have to have someone to. Yeah.
All right.
Alright guys, we just finished cooking. And also the rice just finished cooking. So we're just gonna make my plate. Isaiah has to go somewhere, so we're just gonna make myself a plate. Oh, look at that steam. Yeah.
Come on. All right, I gotta go pick up my girl, but we pretty much finished. I know you guys seen that. She's about to eat. If you guys enjoyed this cooking video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to subscribe, do that now when you do. Turn your post notifications on so every time I post or she posts.
Y'all finna see it.
Other than that, it's Zayway and Emmali, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. And make sure you guys comment down below if you think the meal was pretty good. I think it is pretty good. She's putting a lot of rice on. I think she's about to eat a lot. Jesus.
I love rice.
Okay.
Okay, you get it, Mom.
Alright guys, the next thing that we're gonna put on is this is what it looks like so far, guys. Look. Yum. Alright, let's put some on my plate. I just have to leave some because there's not really that much because I have a family. A little bit more. There you go. Just leave the rest for my family. But if I want more, then I'm just gonna want some more? Follow me, guys. Let's go get some fork. Let's get a fork. And there you go. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
You light up my whole world. Somehow I still get speechless. I'm proud to call you my girl. Girl, don't leave, cause I need this. I'm the happiest that I've ever been. My mama never seen me this way.